Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am showing you exactly how to link your Direct Express card to Apple Pay in 2025 step by step. No fluff, let's dive right in. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Apple Wallet app. Once it's open, tap the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen. Now you'll see several options for adding cards. We're focusing on debit or credit cards, so go ahead and tap that option. Next, tap continue to begin entering your card details. You can either use your iPhone camera to scan the card, or you can enter the info manually, including your name, card number, expiration date, and security code. If scanning does not work or you prefer manual input, just type it all in carefully. After that, Apple may ask you to verify the card. This might be done via text, email, or phone call, depending on your Direct Express account settings. Once verified, your Direct Express card will appear in your wallet. Tap next to complete the setup, and you're good to go. Now you can start using Apple Pay at stores online or in apps straight from your iPhone. Quick note, if you get an error saying this card is not supported, make sure your app in iOS are fully updated. Some users had success after updating and restarting the device. That's it. Super easy and takes it just a couple of minutes. If this helped you out, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more quick tech fixes and guides. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.